Namaste, students. Myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDVC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic genetic drift, basic mechanisms of evolution, random Scott process, independent of selection, random drift or random genetic drift. Common in a small population, no significance in large population. Some alleles becomes more common while other becomes less common over time. When there is only one allele is left for a particular gene pool, that allele is said to be fixed. Genetic drift and natural selection differences, random processes non and natural selection non-random processes. Genetic drift is does not occur due to environment challenges. Natural selections occurs due to environment challenges. Genetic drifts non-directional and natural selection directional. Genetic drifts non-adaptive evolution and natural selection generation of adaptive traits. Genetic drifts, important alleles may disappear, and natural selections end up the survival of fittest. Genetic drift operate on natural alleles, and natural selections operate on any alleles. Next, genetic drifts, loss of genetic variations, and natural selections increase genetic variations. Kinds of genetic drifts are of few kinds. First, that causes genetic drifts are bottleneck effect. Second, founder effect. Bottleneck effect. The bottleneck effects occur when a natural disasters or similar events randomly kills a large portions of a population, leaving survivors that have allele frequency that were very different from the previous population. Second, examples of bottleneck: northern elephants, seal, bottleneck events, human huntings. Founder effect. The founder effect occurs when a portion of a population separates from the old population to start a new population with different allele frequencies. Example of population effect: silver ice colonies, South Island of New Zealand from Tasmania in 1830. Different between bottleneck effects and founder effects. Bottleneck effects: subpopulation caused when a natural disasters reduces the size of an original larger populations. Founder effects: founder establish a subpopulation is a new colony drawn from a larger populations. Result of habitat fragmentation and are overpopulations of a species, and result of founder effects of migration. Role of genetic drift in evolution. effects of genetic makeup of a population, mechanism of evolution and allele fixing, decrease gene diversity, and play a role in the evolution of new species. New population genetically distinct from its original populations. Thank you.